How to back up Zoho CRM data. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho CRM website. Here in this home screen at the bottom left, tap on the settings icon. You'll see the settings menus in the left hand side. At the top, you can see the search bar. Tap on this. Search for data backup. Select this option. It will take you to the data backup page. So it has given you the options of download now. So if you select this, it will show you this purchase backup option. So you'll need to purchase the backup plan. So the one-time data backup plan will cost you $12. You can select your country or region, select the unit that you want to back up, and tap on continue. You will need to provide your payment details. You can provide your payment card information and continue with the further process. So that's how you can easily back up your data in Zoho CRM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.